My finger something's got stuck. It's like a Chinese finger trap. Dude, I'm so excited right now. We haven't done this in forever, boys. When did we film that video? I think it was a year ago because I posted it in like October.
If the car survives today, can we like send it like to the moon wide open?
Absolutely, Colton. How you feeling, Max?
Like shit.
Sorry, dog. I appreciate you coming, though.
I'm gonna tell fast we're going to the shit box. The gauges stopped.
I was
working.
like, oh yeah, I know.
I spit on it. I slapped it.
Speedometer on it.
Called it dirty names. It didn't do nothing.
Yeah. It didn't work?
No.
Don't try this at home, kids. I mean, you can try it. You can try it on the street, but just don't do it at home.
Damn dual turbo. Sheesh.
It's always more fun with twins. Just throw in the dirt. Hey, well, might be the last time we see her in one piece. It's gonna be rowdy how quick this thing is.
Fuck.
Bro. Okay, there we go.
There we go. There you go.
It is way quick.
Just don't gas it underneath the truck.
Oh, why is it? It's like super touchy right now. Hey, Carson, we're gonna have to pull over real fast.
It might be throttle. Yeah.
I'm gonna try and recalibrate it real fast.
Boy's got some power.
I had to recalibrate that ESC. Dude, it was so weird. I would like barely touch it, and it was like blowing the tires off.
Uh-oh.
Oops. Well,
we need a boo-boo.
Might not see the freeway today. I think it was like right.
Yeah, there. Dude, that bitch went so high.
So high. Didn't it in here? I think it was farther over here in the bushes.
What happened? You smoke a rock?
I just throttled it, yeah, dude, and it kind of went sideways, and then it caught the other, and I tried to steer out of it, and then it just was like done. It might be good. Yeah. We might still be good to go, boys.
Time to go, bro. What are you doing over here? Alright, damage update. Not looking too bad. The tire.
Where? Oh, shit.
So we're done? Yeah.
I mean, we can always try.
Give it like one pass to the road real quick.
Take that off. I didn't bring any tools though to take it off. Well, should we just try and send her, boys?
Let's do it.
Just give her one pass.
Send her home. Let me see that GoPro.
Okay, well, let's fucking give her a rip, man.
Let me just try right here real fast. Dude, she's mint.
She's good to go.
She's mint. All right, let's go.
Don't worry, we're just hitchhiking. Oh, fuck, hell no. I'm in the middle of the road, bro. At least the RC car's okay. Fuck, I didn't really get that.
You didn't get that?
I tried.
God damn it. That's all right.
Oh,
Well,
we're done.
I think the GoPro has seen better days. Damn, that's rough. Repairing your file, please wait. Well, hopefully
Get the
it's not
footage.
corrupted.
we'll get the footage, yeah. Damn.
Let's take a look at the old car. Hold that real quick.
It looks okay.
It's the body, you know?
I think the shocks are probably tweaked, it looks like. Oof. Yeah, the shocks.
Oh, we're done.
Shocks are done.
I was gonna try to swerve, but I figured it.
Oh, wow, this thing's going a lot better.
Oh, dude. That's... Yeah, I think, yeah.
Wow, so it can flip very hard by itself, but it can't get ran over.
Oh fuck, it's not that bad.
It's not that bad for getting literally run over.
I think you got the GoPro.
Oh no.
Yeah, the GoPro's junk.
Yeah, GoPro's done.
Oh no.
That's like a $450 GoPro too.
The body's just fucked up.
Yeah, the body's not bad.
Right here. Well, got right here and shit, right at the top. Yeah, but that's like heat gun it out.
Not even.
Look, you can see where the shock tire went through the fucking
Hey,
body.
look, the ABC still works.
Yeah, that's pretty impressive.
Let's see how bad it is. Oh, maybe not.
I just saw it come like out of the corner of my eye.
Yeah, I went to hit the brakes and it kind of went squirrely a little bit.
I saw it go like sideways past me, like what the fuck?
Yeah, I'm like, oh.
right into
damn
you,
it.
I'm like, come on.
So as long as I got the footage from this, then I'm not gonna be too upset.
Yo,
I told you not to run over my RC car, bro. Go deep. Dude, good thing it was in the S10. That thing weighs like 100 pounds. That's probably why I didn't do anything.
Successful day.
Well, we didn't get it to the freeway, but we will fix it and we will be back.
Part 2.
Part 2.
A preview to the preview, part
Right.
1.
Oh fuck.
100.
We just hit 100.
Well, I'm pinned.
Oh, there goes a tire.
I just lost a tire.